Hello, in this video I want to share my experience to selling digital products online, what service I use it and why I come to those decisions. So one of the site that I'm selling my products, it is Geekatplay.com. And if you go to this site, and specifically if you go to tutorial area, you'll find I have a lot of different products. For example, just in the View sections, I have thousands and thousands of tutorials that is available for you online to purchase. And I done this for many years. And previously, originally, when creating that product, when start selling, I had a server that was hosting, and we have it on e-commerce solutions, provided all authentication. It was cost about between $500 to $800 a month just to pay for the service, pay for all these other things. So it was quite a bit expensive. And of course, as we're working, we're optimizing, more solutions was available, and we're switching to different. So otherwise, we switched to the have it our online store with using SunShop. It's PHP solution. We installed it, and we was using the PayPal merchant account to processing. Again, it still be some expenses to that point to do other stuff. And my limitation was also I cannot just go to any other digital providers because I have it literally gigabytes upon gigabytes of the tutorials that I want to allow people. So I have it need not restrain on a space how much I can use it for my digital downloads, as well good balance between this and how many times they can download it and all those other elements. So and about 4 or 5 or whatever years ago, I discovered a new service. It's called Gumroad. This was kind of new at that time, and few things was attracting me to the Gumroad. It is unlimited space, unlimited transfer and fees, and also easy to use. So and I switched from different platform, included Shopify, and I used all the other ones to this platform, and it's actually made much easy and more happy, and I literally have a very fraction of the cost I used to pay before. So I don't necessarily want to review all the other services, but just let you know I did use digital downloads. Try this one. Included even on my word processing, I was using the View e-commerce solution. So when you install it, but again, you'll need to have your merchant account for this. They also have a different like eJunkie, you have it SendAll, which is getting popular. They're all not bad. And of course, very popular are Sellfy. They very nice solutions for the people, but for me, they had limitations like FetchArt and other ones. And how I say that one of the main limitations for me was how much data I can store on a server, because I have a lot of content I want to sell to the people or share it. And Gumroad did not have this. Besides that, how I mentioned before, pricing and fee. We have merchant accounts. Some of them require, if you're using on a PayPal, you actually have your monthly fee, about $30. And beside that, you have your transaction fee add on that as well. As to compares, if we're going to pricing on Gumroad, you have several. You can start with a free one, but you still need to have a 3.5% discount and 30 cents per charge, or you can decrease this and pay around $10 a month, and it will be much cheaper for you have it as well. So as other things also was attract me to the Gumroad, it is tools and easy to use, how easy to set up the product. And like I said before, I have a lot of different products. So how many you can look, each of this set have about 30, 20, 40 tutorials inside of each this set, and I have literally over 3,000 individual video tutorials I'm selling. So it's a lot of content I need to manage and want to provide for the people. So for me, how I can upload it, how I can manage, how I can set up, it was very important because I don't want to spend a lot of time to do this content. Beside that, also a big plus on Gumroad, they are providing search engine optimizations and discovering. For example, this is my store there. So if you don't have your own website like what I have, where you can add integrated buttons, so you can add buy the product, add to the cart, and you can see integrations right here all on your website, so they can process without leaving your website and going through Gumroad. And not just buying, they're actually downloading your products from Gumroad, so you don't need to store all of these files on your server. But if you don't have this option, you can still creating your storefront at a Gumroad website, and people can still discover you. You can still put it there. You can still share your link on all social media and everything. So it's very easy. I'm sure all of these other ones, providers have it similar abilities or similar features. You can use it. However, this provider for me, it's work best, and I actually highly recommend, because for many years it was stable. And speak about stability, I don't know if I know any other of this company who so openly can go online, and like for example Sashi Lavanga right here, he have an open board meeting where they're going in details how much they earn, how much they spend, what the features going, what this company position, and everything. It's very open. And you know what, for me personally, it's one of the key features. I like it because I know what that company will be tomorrow. So I know they're dedicated, they're spending time for the new features. I know what upcoming, what is there. And how I say, most important, I don't need to worry that tomorrow's server is going down and I need to spend again hours and hours to transfer my content and stuff to other places where I don't know. Included, my customers will lose their accounts, so work with downloads and other things. And I have that problem before, because for many years I used to run my own servers, so I need to handle my past customers to allow them access the products they used to purchase before. So how I say, this is one of the plus. It does, Gumroad have it, things that they should grow in, and it's very good ability. And it seems like with latest updates and everything, they listen very carefully the people who use them, and they added more and more features for people. So this is probably the primary reason why I'm using Gumroad for myself, and I actually highly recommend for almost anybody who are looking there for the platform, for the content provider as digital art. It is stable, very easy to use environment, a lot of features that you wanted, but without overwhelm, so you don't need to spend hours and hours try to tweak and customize. It's very easy to create product, upload it, and let people browse. It's allowed you digital subscriptions. It's allowed notifications on the product update. It's many features. I don't want to go through all of them because list can be all the long, and I need way more time to go over this. Pricing and fees, it's one of the lowest in the market that I can find. And limitation, how I said before, limitation on the size of the files. It's not there. You actually can store as many content as you want. It's streaming, so it's very reasonable, very good service in this case. And for many years, it's stable. And they always pay on time. Never was delay in a payment to me. So that is another real ability that I do like it. So overall, I recommend you just check them out. Try the service if you sell digital content. See if you enjoying. And I'm not sponsored by Gumroad, so it's just my own personal experience from there, from using them. And I want to share with you, and I hope you can, as an artist, share your knowledge, share your art, and make a little bit money to upkeep your hobby going or professional work. Thank you for watching this video.